Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to order lines in terms of steepness. So we just have to remember that steeper lines have bigger slope. So in order to place them in order from largest to smallest, or from steepest to flattest, we want to find out what's the largest slope. So all I'm going to do is go down through here and put down what the M is. Okay, this M is 2. This one is 1/3. This one is -1/2. This one is 2/3. This one is 4. This one, now take a look at this. There is no number with the X. Okay, so that's like plus 0x. So the slope in this one would be 0. Okay, now there is no y in this one, so this one would have an undefined slope if there is no y. Okay, so undefined slope is straight up and down. Alright, so this is going to be the steepest line. Okay, now the next one then would come from the biggest slope. So the biggest slope would be this one. So then this would be the second line. Okay, now what's the next number after 4? That would be 2. So then this one is the next steepest line. And remember, that's plus 0 is what that is in terms of the B. Okay, now, so we've got our whole numbers now. Now, which is larger, 1/3 or 2/3? 2/3. So this would be the fourth line. The next one is 1/3, which would be this one. This is the fifth one. And this line has a negative slope, so it's going to actually go the other direction. So that one would be steep, but in the negative direction. So if you're strictly talking about how steep it is, it's going to fit in between 1/3 and 2/3. Okay, so if we look at it that way, then we'll make this one 5 and this one 6. So if we ignore the negative, okay, even though you would think that it would be the other way, it's still steep, it just goes in the opposite direction. So this line is going to go in, number 5 is going to go in this direction. This line is going to go to the right, this one's going to go to the right, this one's going to go to the right, this one's going to go to the right. Now, slope is 0, okay? So slope is 0 on number 7. Okay, so it's a flat line. Alright, so that's how they look. Now, if you can't remember to do this, then just graph them and you'll be able to see from the picture which is the largest or which is the